Question is from Aisha Munir from Lahore, Pakistan. I am a housewife. I completed Masters in Business Administration, that is MBA. I want to know, as a Muslim woman, what profession should I adopt? I want to contribute to society in a better way. I don't want to die as a common person. Sister Aisha Munir has asked a very important question, that she has done an MBA, Masters in Business Administration. She does not want to die as a common person. She says what profession should she take so that she benefits the Ummah. As far for a lady, the best and the most important work and profession is that of a mother. Number one, that if you are a mother, you should see to it that you are a very good mother to your children, because you are going to build the next generation. And as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, that you take care of yourself and your family and save them from the hellfire. And the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that a leader of the Ummah should take care of his flock. A man who's head of the family should take care of his family, and a woman should see to it that the husbands and her children that are there, she takes care of the children. So based on this, number one, the most important is that for a woman, she should be a good mother. Besides being a mother, or if you're not married, the best profession that you can take, according to me, is of a da'i. And Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Fusilat, chapter number 41, verse number 33, Allah says, وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ قَالًا مِمَّنْ دَعَا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَآمَنَ صَالِحًا وَقَالَ إِنَّنِي مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. Who is better in speech than one who invites to the way of their Lord, works righteousness, and says that I'm Muslim? So the best profession for any Muslim, whether man or woman, it is to become a da'i. Calling people to the way of Allah is the best profession. And even if you're able to make one non-Muslim accept Islam, it is a great thing. As the beloved Prophet said, as though it's like a red camel. You know, the red camel is the most treasured thing for the Arabs at that time, like a Rolls Royce. So number one is the profession of a da'i. Try and invite people, the non-Muslim friends, the non-Muslim ladies that you have, to the fold of Islam. Number two would be, for a lady, is to do the profession of an Islamic teacher. She can be an Islamic teacher maybe for the ladies in a ladies Islamic university, can be for a lady, can be in a ladies college. She can be an Islamic teacher in the school, maybe for the girls in the secondary school, or in the primary school, maybe for all the children, for all the students. So next best is the profession of Islamic teacher. Number two, motherhood is there. After motherhood, number one is da'i. Number two is being an Islamic teacher. Number three is being a doctor or being a gynecologist. Because if a woman becomes a gynecologist is the doctor of the ladies, she is preventing many of her Muslim sisters from making the hijab. It's always advisable that a woman, when she goes to see a doctor for her health problems, she should go to a lady doctor. And we have less lady doctors today in the world, so that's a good opportunity that you can become a lady doctor and prevent the hijab from being broken for many of your sisters. Number four, that in the medical profession, you can be a pediatrician, that is a doctor for the children, and treat them. Number five is you can become a counselor. And normally it is good for a counselor to be a lady, and it's very much possible that you can be a counselor for the children, and you can guide them as per the Quran and Sunnah. The next would be you can become a pediatrician, a doctor for the ladies, for the children. A gynecologist among the medical profession, number one is gynecologist for a lady, second can be a pediatrician, third can be a general physician for the ladies, because it is preferable that a lady goes to a lady and a gent goes to a gent if they are sick. Like in Bombay, where we had the medical center where we used to give free treatment, we had two different entrances, one for the gents, one for the ladies. And for the gents, we had a gent doctor full-time. For the ladies, we had a lady doctors. The children had option to go wherever they wanted. And we saw to it that there was complete hijab in the ladies section. And I don't know of any other exclusive medical center anywhere in India, which is ladies doctor is only for ladies and gent doctor only for gents. But this is what Sharia says. So you can become a doctor. After that, you can take up other professions, like be a businessman, etc. Sorry, you can become a businesswoman. What you have to realize that if you take any other profession, see to it that that profession is not against the Quran and Sunnah. It should not be against the teaching of the glorious Quran and the Sahih Hadith. But as I mentioned, the best is being a mother, and the next would be taking up the profession which gets the person closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number one is a da'i, number two is an Islamic teacher. These things will get you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then the other profession comes being a doctor or doing business, etc. Hope that answers the question.